Hey, did y'all know I went to Rome once?
No.
Yeah, it's true. Back when I was doing a solo act, I met this real nice-looking guy who told me he was going to make me a star. Yeah, and he said he was taking me to Rome. Yeah, I quit my gig and we headed out. Now, folks, did y'all know there's a place called Rome in Georgia?
Georgia. Hey, what'd you do, Henrietta?
Well, Rocky, I'll tell you just what I told him.
Got along without you before I met you, gonna get along without you now. Gonna find somebody twice as cute, cause you didn't love me anyhow. You ran around with every girl in town, and you never cared if it got me down. You had me worried, always on my guard, but you laughed at me cause I tried too hard. Gonna get along without you now. Gonna get along without you now. Take your own garbage out, big boy. You and that mirror. You broke 3 of them just looking in them. Yeah, you think you're so cute. You've got to tie a pork chop around your neck just to get a Doberman to play with you. Got along without you before I met you. Gonna get along without you now. Gonna find somebody twice as cute, cause you didn't love me anyhow. I lost my money and I lost my pride. Didn't have much money, but I really tried. It made you happy when you made me cry, and you broke my heart, so I said goodbye. Gonna get along without you now. Hit the road. Gonna get along without you now. Take off. Goodbye. Gonna get along without you now. Gonna get along without you now. Gonna get along without you now.
Right on.
Gonna get along without you now.
Yes, sir.
Gonna get along without you now.
Bye-bye.
Gonna get along without you now. Gonna get along without you now.
All right.
Gonna get along without you now. 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 Gonna get along without you now.
Have a great day!
Go ride the log flume. It's the best.
And say howdy to Wonder Bear if you see him.
And don't miss going up on that giant wheel. What a view!
Ciao, we'll be a-seeing you.